go? Did I give it? Oh, that's scary.
Today we're doing Cadbury Mystery Bar 1. I really should. Sorry. Okay.
Mystery Bar 1, basically. Milk chocolate with a mystery flavour filling. Surely if you read the ingredients, you'd be able to tell.
Okay, don't do that though, because you're ruining the surprise.
Okay, Lola's going to try it because she's a big fan of the dairy milk.
And it's smush, but
Can I smell that, please?
I think it might be hazelnut or something. Oh wait.
Oh, is it weird?
Right, I'm going. Fuck, what is that?
Does it taste of something specific? Like, can you tell it's a taste?
It has a flavour, but I want to say raspberry, but then it's also like, no, it's not that.
Wait, so it's fruity?
Rose or something? I don't fucking know. Wait.
It's not going to say it, it's just going to say flavourings.
I don't fucking know, to be honest.
Okay, can you taste the other one so we can see if there's a real difference?
I need a palate cleanser.
Do you really... Hand sanitizer?
Oh, that smells disgusting.
Oh, it smells fruity! I'll have to get Dad to do it. Oh, is it bad?
I think it is blackcurrant.
Really? Let me smell it again.
Oh, like,
it smells like Ribena and
I
chocolate.
don't fucking know what that is, but it's really weird.
Also, how have they made it all white? Both of them the same colour.
We need to get ads and tracks.
Was that good? A good game?
Yeah, except I didn't win because I can't fucking tell what they are.
Well, if it's looking that cute, then it's going to take us... I might need to turn the engine on first.
I'm gonna have a donut.
I don't really know which way to go. I've just driven into a random parking space. For crash, that's going to be awkward, isn't it?
I'm having a donut now as well because you know guys,
Get those ribs.
I want the donut.
There's a
Custard.
right. Right, you don't. It's not that bad. That was a little bit of a harsh break, though.
Don't put that bit in.
That bit's going in.
I'm gonna do ASMR.
Dough? No, you can't do it that way around. How many times do I have to tell you?
Hashtag mukbang.
I just asked you to film me, and then you just proceeded to just do a gross mukbang of yourself and then put it back in the exact same place.
I just want to send a picture of my dog, Sakira.
I'm sure she'd appreciate it.
What was the BBL in? Bye guys!
Just a thought away. I keep thinking about that big sky I've seen so many times before.
I can't admit that I won't be doing the dishwasher because I can't be bothered. Guys, do you want to see our basil plant grown from scratch? My dad just dropped them out of the oven, but it's fine. It still tastes the same, you know? And they didn't fall on the floor, luckily. It was a close call, but they didn't.
Feel how my memories play on
morning. We're having a beach day today and I need a shower before we go as a necessity. Oh, it's a nice day. It's sunny. Okay, this stuff I'm not putting in there. To wear. Oh my god, a massive magpie. No. Yes? A magpie is the black and white and blue ones. Anyway, it's massive, whatever it is. Oh, I need to have my tablet. I don't know what to wear. In fact, let me look at the weather. Looks like it's gonna be a little bit chilly. Jeans. Probs not. Let's go.
Was that so sensual? Wait, show them your lock screen.
Finally, it took us so long. So we're finally. I'm really excited to see some seagulls and eat some fish and chips and some donuts and maybe even an ice cream, something extra special. Yeah. There's loads of, I can see, I have eyeballs. There's loads of cute dogs here. We saw this one lady and she had like 7 dogs.
Yeah, I would say more like 10.
And it was really cute.
All Yorkshire Terriers.
It's true, I just can't deny. It's tough for me to straighten things out. Yeah, yeah. Gotta help me find a soul, one that I can call my own. And my eyes, they're looking down when you leave me.
as soon as if I was gone.
I knew the whole time.
It's really bright.
Hi.
It's tough to see what's past and gone. Oh, you gotta help me find a cause, one that I can call my own. Yes. And in my eyes, they're looking down. When you leave me, oh, in the fire, in the fire, oh.
Hashtag it's stuck. Hashtag bend it over so nobody kills themselves.
I tried. I got a big store first, but I couldn't win it. Lola won one. Lola, come here. Lola won one first time. That bitch. I tried so many times, wasted so much money, and Dad did it first time. And got me a big store first. Look how cute it is. I mean.
We are back, finally. It took us like 2.5 hours. I didn't even think we were that far away. And it was painful, but look at my new Disray the Disco Octopus. My dad won him for me. He's so cute. He helped me through the journey. But anyway, I'm off to get my dinner because I'm hungry.